In this video, I will help you find the best headphones for electronic drum kit in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Roland RH300V headphones, best for electronic drums. When it comes to electronic drum kits, the Roland RH300V headphones stand out as the top choice for drummers seeking exceptional audio quality and comfort during their practice sessions. These headphones deliver a crisp and clear sound that captures every beat and nuance of your playing, making your practice sessions more immersive and enjoyable. The closed-back design helps to isolate the sound, allowing you to focus solely on your music without any distractions from the outside world. One key feature of the Roland RH300V headphones is their comfortable fit. The soft ear cushions and adjustable headband ensure that you can wear them for extended periods without any discomfort. This is crucial for long practice sessions or performances where you need to stay focused and comfortable throughout. Additionally, the Roland RH300V headphones are built to last. The sturdy construction and durable materials ensure that they can withstand the rigors of regular use, making them a reliable companion for your drumming journey. With these headphones, you can trust that you're investing in a quality product that will enhance your electronic drumming experience for years to come. At number 4, we have Audio-Technica 8H M70X headphones, best for professional use. Optimizing your professional drumming experience, the Audio-Technica 8H M70X headphones offer unparalleled audio precision and comfort for extended use. These headphones are a top choice for professional drummers seeking high-quality sound reproduction and reliable performance. The 8H M70X provides a flat frequency response, ensuring that every beat and note is accurately reproduced without any distortion. The closed-back design enhances sound isolation, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music without any external distractions. Not only do these headphones deliver exceptional audio quality, but they also prioritize comfort for long practice sessions or performances. The ear cups are designed with premium materials for a snug and comfortable fit, reducing fatigue even during extended use. Additionally, the durable construction of the 8H M70X ensures that they can withstand the rigors of regular use, making them a reliable companion for your drumming sessions. At number 3, we have Alesis DRP 100 drum monitoring headphones, best for budget option. Looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality? The Alesis DRP 100 drum monitoring headphones might just be your perfect match. These headphones deliver impressive sound clarity, allowing you to hear every beat and note with precision. The closed-back design not only provides excellent sound isolation but also ensures a comfortable fit for those long drumming sessions. What sets the Alesis DRP 100 apart is its affordability without sacrificing essential features. The durability of these headphones ensures they can withstand the rigors of drumming practice. Additionally, the longer cable length gives you the freedom to move around without feeling restricted. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drummer looking for a reliable set of headphones that won't break the bank, the Alesis DRP 100 is a solid choice that offers great value for your money. At number 2, we have Vic Firth SIH2 Stereo Isolation Headphones, best for acoustic drumming. Venturing into the realm of acoustic drumming, the Vic Firth SIH2 Stereo Isolation Headphones offer a unique audio experience tailored for drummers seeking precision and clarity in their practice sessions. These headphones excel in providing exceptional sound isolation, allowing me to focus solely on my drumming without external distractions. The closed-back design not only enhances the audio quality but also ensures that the sound stays contained within the headphones, creating an immersive experience. The comfort provided by the Vic Firth SIH2 headphones is remarkable, with plush padding that allows me to wear them for extended periods without any discomfort. The durability of these headphones is also worth mentioning, as they're designed to withstand the rigors of daily practice sessions and performances. At number 1, we have Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro headphones, best for mixing. When delving into the realm of mixing, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro headphones stand out as the top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. These headphones provide exceptional clarity across all frequencies, essential for precise mixing tasks. The closed-back design not only ensures a comfortable fit for long hours of use, but also offers excellent sound isolation, allowing you to focus solely on the audio at hand without any disturbances. What sets the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro apart is its balanced sound signature, making it ideal for critical listening and mixing applications. The durable construction ensures longevity, a crucial factor for equipment used extensively in studio environments. Additionally, the longer cable length provides freedom of movement, allowing you to work efficiently without feeling tethered to your mixing station.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.